Hi everyone, welcome to my Shoreline Studio. I'm Sybille Muschik. Behind the camera is Joshua Blanc. Now today we're talking about cow parsnips. I really think they're quite spectacular. Where we've been traveling around, they've been really gigantic this year. They're like a forest of trees, so that's sort of the concept we're going to go with today. And we're going to be working with our 8x10 gel plate. We're going to start off just with a base tone, a little bit of Prussian blue, not much, and some of our green. Just a hair. We're going to add a little bit of our iron oxide, and then we're just going to roll it out. I don't want too dark a background. We might have to do a lighter layer, but we'll see how this one works. We have one of the there we go, all those seeds. They've sort of come off, but they will, our little cow parsnip. There we go. We just want a background layer. If it's too dark, we'll have to do a light layer. We'll just see. Whoops, there's one remaining here. Okay, so we're just going to warm it up a little bit, and I'm not sure I'm even going to clean the plate. Let's just try it this way. I don't want to obscure too many of the details. And we're just and the white areas will just catch that light, which is exactly what we want. And good. Okay, I think we're good. Right, next step is to do a little drawing. And it's going to just be with our charcoal pencil. And it will be put directly on here and then transferred. And then we're going to do it several times. And it should create this forest that I have in mind. Well, this is cow parsnip. I've picked some to try on the gel plate. We wanted to do a shoot of this because they are just monumental, like Greek columns, caribou Greek columns. So now we're just going to do a quick drawing of our little cow parsnip tree. I guess it's a tree. Let's start, because we're reversing everything, over here. And, whoops, squeaking. And there's sort of a base. And then just try not to squeak here. And then all the seeds are on top. This first stem is pretty thick. Maybe I'll use this page as just to rest my hand on it. You can overlap if you want. It squeaks in a certain direction. And then put all your little seeds on there. Cow parsnips are interesting no matter what time of year they're growing, because when they start off, they look like little handkerchiefs folded up. They're quite interesting. And they're a bright green, forest green. And then as they get older, the stems start to brown, and sometimes they look violet like we saw in the photograph. I think that's a good start. Okay, now we're going to make sure our plate is clean. There's just water in here. You can use baby wipes and some alcohol. It should transfer directly. There we go. Okay. A little bit of water on there. Okay. Maybe our neutral gray to transfer it. Not a lot. You want to see the image come through very strongly. Otherwise it won't transfer. Oops, we have a little seed on there. Nice. Okay. Now to achieve that forest look, we're going to do this again. So we're just going to place it in a different spot, maybe a bit lower. Nice, okay. I was worried there, but and to transfer it, you can use maybe a slightly different color. Let's just cool it down a little bit in the back, just a tiny hint. Maybe a bit of the yellow, and they'll mix a little bit. Again, ever so thin here. There we go. And back over. There's a little bit of a fuzzle here. That's okay. Okay. And there we go. A cow parsnip forest. Well, and the colors turned out really nice, and the image is quite graphic. I'll just touch up that couple of little white spots, and we're good to go. So have fun with a cute little drawing of cow parsnips or whatever foliage you have. Works really well with our charcoal pencil, and give it a shot. So take care of yourselves and your families. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.